She reveals why she stopped talking to Ozo, blames him for bad blood with Nengi.
That's one of the reasons why I don't talk to you. I came outside and I saw
You don't
that.
talk to him now?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
I come outside and I say that you come to me, you tell me stuff, I tell you stuff, you go back to tell Nengi. I'm like, is that what friendship is? You sit there and you're talking about friendship?
Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Last night's second episode of the Big Brother NAIJA lockdown reunion was full of drama as many tried to clear the air on issues they had with fellow former housemates. Dorathy was one of them and she came with full fire ready for anyone, and the first person she tackled was Ozo and how he played their relationship. She accused him of being the reason for the bad blood between her and Nengi, as she explained that after the show she found out that after Ozo brought his issues with Nengi to her, she shared her mind as a friend to him. He went back to tell her. Do you know how hurtful that is? She angrily squeezed him. She therefore added that she realized it was because of Ozo. It was because Ozo was going back and forth between her and Nengi, which is what caused a rift between them, to which Nengi even agreed. Dorathy then stated that after she found out how Ozo played things, she decided to stop being friends with him and even stop talking to him. So guys, this takes us to the statement Katrina made earlier in the show when she said Ozo was actually playing games with Dorathy and Nengi. From what Dorathy just said, it appears Ozo was actually playing a game with Dorathy and Nengi. Guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't fail to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get new info whenever a new video drops. Thanks for watching and stay safe.